Little berry babies. Thriving. These were planted only last week. Oh, epic. Putting in some high tunnel tomatoes today. First day on the tractor. It's the first day on the mechanical transplanter. Spent a lot of time getting it set just right. It's quite nicely, as you can see by these beauteous rows. Tool doesn't work, you go to by hand. Back in action. And you're in my way. Whoop. It is now 8:30 p.m. and the vegetable crew is still out and about. Putting the insect netting over the recently transplanted onions due to allium leaf miner being in flight, which can decimate a crop of onion like nothing. So this is very important. Well, it's 9 p.m. and the tractor's finally heading in for the night. There was some lightning in the sky a moment ago. Perhaps I'll catch some. Soaking the onion babies. The amount of rocks in our soil is ridiculous. This little section of the onion field is just littered with them. I've been tossing them all over here. But it makes the mechanical transplanter not work so well in this section. Just picking up some sugar maple logs I cut that fell in the winter for a mushroom class we're having next weekend. The mushroom yard. Oh. Farmers out to town. Thanks, Ben Spoon. So good. Woo. Moving our music stage to the other side of the lake for our summer events. This is always the sketchy part. And it took it.